Hey, my name is Max here with Trayvax, and I am in charge of machining the new knives that we just released on Kickstarter. So the knife that we're machining starts out of a blank piece of flat bar that we have as a stock. And then from there we cut it to length, we load it up in the CNC machine and go through the facing processes, profiling. We get the blade all roughed out, and then from there we send the blade to heat treating, which we do that in our kiln here at Trayvax. And after heat treating, it goes into sandblasting. And sandblasting is just to give it this matte kind of texturized look to it. It improves your grip on there and just gives it a nice overall finish. And so after that, one of our goals with this knife is to machine it after the hardening process as well. And what we're going for there is just to machine the bevel surface and then machine the chamfers. So to leave everything with that sandblasted look except for the chamfers and bevels, and that is going to make the blade pop. Even though we're using all carbide tools and stuff that is made for hardened knives, specifically around 58 to 62 HRC, we're still running into some issues where our tool life isn't that long and we have tools wearing out too quickly. Found some tooling that's made to machine up to 68 HRC hardness, and so I'm going to be testing that here in about a day or two when it gets in, and that's supposed to really speed up the process of finishing the knife, and our tool life should be longer. It's really awesome to see all the support from people who have been loyal to Trayvax and new customers as well. I'm mostly excited about it just because it allows me to machine something that I haven't ever machined before. So it's a whole new realm in the machining world, just with figuring out and dialing in fixtures, how you're going to hold parts. It's pretty cool just being involved in this new product that is mainly going to be used, out in the field, and that we're holding it to our heirloom quality standard, and so you're going to get use out of it, and it's going to last a long time and hold up to whatever you put it up against.